Proof example number 1. Take this one channel, it's only uploaded about 5 or 6 clips total. But look, a video posted just 6 days ago already has 5.2 million views. Another from 5 days ago. Over 621,000 views. A 4-day-old one crossed 400,000, and even one from the same day hit 300,000 plus. This channel sat dormant for 3 years, zero activity. Then boom, revived with AI content, and it's printing views overnight. Revenue potential. This channel is US-based, and in the last 30 days alone, it racked up 4.8 million views. Even with modest RPMs, rupees per mil, that's easily tens of thousands of rupees in ad revenue, and that's before sponsorships, affiliate links, or channel memberships kick in. Imagine that scaling to multiple videos. Proof and credibility section. Here's another mind-blower. A creator with just 62 clips and only 4,200 subscribers is seeing insane traction. One video. 21 million views. Another. 9.2 million. A third hit 4.7 million. These aren't typos, these are real viral hits from minimal effort. Right now, very few creators are dominating this exact style, so competition is still super low. If you jump in early, you can capture massive gains fast. This is the gold rush moment for AI storytelling clips. Transition to tutorial. So how do they do it? Let's break it down step by step. I'll walk you through the exact process so you can start creating your own today. Step 1. Get video subjects from ChatGPT. Step 1. Nail the idea. Don't guess what goes viral, let AI tell you. Open ChatGPT, free version works fine, and paste this special prompt, I call it the viral subject generator. Act as a viral YouTube Shorts expert. Give me 10 ultra-viral video ideas in the storytelling niche. Each idea should be emotional, surprising, or heartwarming, optimized for high retention and shares. Include elements like survival, bravery, animals with human-like emotions, hidden builds, or extreme challenges. Format as a numbered list with a catchy title and one-sentence description for each. Hit enter, and boom, ChatGPT spits out gold like. A brave boy builds an entire house in the middle of a raging storm. A man digs underground for weeks to create a secret hidden survival bunker. A loyal dog risks everything to save his owner from a wildfire. Extreme survival during a massive flood, twists and turns every 10 seconds. These are already proven viral formulas. Pro tip, spy on top channels in this niche, see their biggest hits, then tweak your prompt to match, generate ideas similar to channel name's top videos but make them unique. Step 2. Create the narrative and segments. Now turn that idea into a gripping story, because people don't watch pretty pictures, they watch stories. Copy this master narrative prompt into ChatGPT. You are a master storyteller for short-form viral videos. Create a complete segmented script for an X-minute video on this topic, paste your subject here. Break it into 50 to 70 short segments, each 5 to 10 seconds for smooth AI animation. Each segment includes 1 visual action description, 2 key emotion/hook, 3 suggested sound effect or ambient audio. Start with a massive 3-second hook. End with a cliffhanger or emotional payoff. Make it addictive, high tension, surprises, heartwarming moments. For an 8-minute video, you'll get 60 segments. Each one keeps viewers glued. Segment 12, lightning flashes, boy shields his face, wind howls, pure determination in his eyes. Bonus, check trending titles on similar channels, he built this in 24 hours. Then disaster struck, then make yours unique but similar. Step 3, generate image descriptions. Visuals are everything. Now feed the script back to ChatGPT with this image prompt. From the following segmented script, generate ultra-detailed image descriptions for each segment, one per segment. Make them photorealistic or cinematic. Include exact character appearance, age, clothing, expression, background details, lighting, weather, camera angle, props, mood. Ensure descriptions allow for character consistency across scenes. You'll get rich prompts like, a 12-year-old boy with messy brown hair, wearing a soaked blue jacket, determined expression, standing in heavy rain on a muddy hill at dusk, dramatic backlighting from lightning, wide shot showing collapsing tent behind him. High detail equals better AI results and longer watch time. Step 4. Make consistent characters with Google Whisk. Consistency is the secret sauce. Viewers drop off if faces or outfits randomly change. Go to Google Labs and search for Whisk. It's free, powered by Imagen 3 and Gemini. Start with your first segment's description. Set aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube. Generate and save the base character image. For segment 2, upload that first image as a reference, use the Add Image or Subject Input feature, then paste the next description. Whisk blends them, keeping the same face, outfit, hair, while changing only the pose/scene. Repeat for key characters. This keeps everything uniform without paid tools. Step 5. Transform images into video with Grok AI. Time to animate. Skip limited tools like Luma, use Grok Imagine from XAI, accessible via the Grok app or web, often free/fast for basics. Go to Grok Imagine, select Image to Video mode, upload your Whisk-generated image. For motion, use a transformed JSON prompt from ChatGPT, ask, convert this segment description to detailed Grok Imagine JSON for smooth animation, include camera movement, duration 5-8s, ambient effects like rain/wind, paste into Grok, set 16:9, generate. In minutes, you get animated clips with natural movement, background sounds, rain, wind, crowds, and built-in AI polish, no separate voice or music needed yet. Do this per segment. Step 6, Editing and Final Touches. Almost there. Open a free mobile editor like CapCut or InShot. Import all segments in order, add smooth transitions, dissolve, fade, or subtle zoom, tweak speed slightly, 0.9x, 1.1x, for natural flow, optional, add subtle text overlays or captions, huge for mobile viewers, export in 1080p or higher. Your video now looks pro, ready to upload. Bonus tips and hacks. Want to 10x your results? Post 1 to 2 videos daily, consistency beats perfection. Study competitors, what hooks work? What thumbnails pop? First 3 to 5 seconds, massive hook, he had 60 seconds before the storm destroyed everything, add auto captions in CapCut, boosts retention. Cross-post to TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, triple exposure. Viral formula, emotion plus surprise plus quick payoff. AI lets you scale this endlessly. Conclusion and call to action. That's the full blueprint, zero budget, smartphone only, AI-powered viral clips that can earn serious money. Channels are blowing up right now because so few are doing this at scale. If this helped, smash that like button, drop a comment with which step you're trying first, and share with a friend who needs this. And here's my secret offer, comment Master Prompt below, and I'll reply with my full ready-to-copy Master Prompt pack, saves you hours and jumpstarts your first viral video today. Start creating right now, because the best time to grow your channel was yesterday. The second best time? Today. I'll see you in the next one, go make those millions. Peace. If you found value in this guide, please leave your feedback, share the link, and begin your video creation journey today. I can also assist in building a precise master prompt for your first subject. saving you significant time and accelerating your channel's growth. Subscribe to All Hub for more content like this. Like the video, share it, and tell us in the comments what you want to watch next. See you in the next video.